Understanding Polar Coordinates, a simplified guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in mathematics, polar coordinates. This topic might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down into simple terms to make it easy and fun to learn. Stay tuned to unravel the mystery of polar coordinates. In mathematics, polar coordinates are a way of representing points in a plane using two numbers, a radius and an angle. Unlike the usual x and y coordinates you might be familiar with, which describe a position in a straight line, polar coordinates work in a circular way. Imagine a point moving around a circle. Its position can be described by how far it is from the center, radius, and the angle it makes with a reference line. Radius. The radius is the first component. It's a straight line from the center of a circle to any point on the circle. In polar coordinates, we measure how far a point is from the center using the radius. This distance is always non-negative, meaning it can't be a negative number. Angle. The angle is the second component. It's measured from a fixed direction, usually the right side of the horizontal line, and increases in a counterclockwise direction. The angle tells us how much we should rotate from our fixed direction to reach the point. It's usually measured in degrees or radians. You might wonder, why do we need another way of describing positions? Polar coordinates are especially useful in situations where our objects or problems have a circular or rotational nature. For example, they are used in navigation, engineering, and physics, particularly when dealing with phenomena that naturally occur in circles, like waves or orbits. Sometimes, we need to switch between polar coordinates and the more familiar Cartesian coordinates, the x and y system. Converting between these two systems can be done using mathematical formulas, which involve trigonometry. Understanding these conversions helps in visualizing and solving complex problems in a more suitable coordinate system. And that's a wrap on polar coordinates. We hope this video has made the concept clearer and more interesting for you. Remember, mathematics can be fun and accessible when we break it down into simpler terms. Keep practicing, stay curious, and see you in our next video.